Hello, Alan with Event Rentals here, and in this quick demonstration I'll be showing you how to turn on and turn off a mushroom heater. Step 1. You're going to want to lift up the propane cover and then open up the propane tank. And then after that, just put the cover back down. So the first step you want to do is just push down the knob, turn it left 90 degrees until you hear the gas come out. Then you press the red igniter right here. That turns on the heater. You can let go of the knob, turn it either down to low or adjust it high how you want it. And to turn it off, simply just bring it all the way back up. And that turns it off.